You can also turn text-to-speech inside of Microsoft Clipchamp and use them in your videos. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the left side and then click on Record and Create. So once you go around over here, you can see that under Create, you have an option called Text-to-Speech. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can go around and choose the language that you want to use. So I'm just going to use the default, that is English United States right here. You can go around and choose a voice that you want as well. So let me just go around, choose the voice of a guy, and here you can go around and choose a voice style as well. For example, you can have excited, cheerful, angry, sad, and so forth as well. So let me just go around and say excited. And for the voice pitch, you can go around and choose whatever you want as well. Let me just select medium. And over here, I'm going to type in my text. I'm going to go around and say, hello there, just like this. And I'm going to say, welcome to Tutor Tube right here, just like this. Let me just go around and preview this.
Hello there. Welcome to TutorTube.
So you can see that it generated text-to-speech right here. Let me just go around and make the voice pitch extra low and preview this out again.
Hello there. Welcome to TutorTube.
Right, so that is what you have, as you can see right here. And you have a generated text speech. You can go around and click on Save to Media, and then it is converted into an audio, and then you can use it in your videos right here.
Hello there. Welcome to TutorTube.
And that is what you have, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the text-to-speech option inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.